the construction and the working principle of a three-phase induction motor. So let's don't waste the time, let's start. हेयर मैकेनिकल एनर्जी को कन्वर्ट करती है इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी में. टाइप्स ऑफ थ्री फेज इंडक्शन मोटर क्या है? फर्स्ट स्क्वायरल केज इंडक्शन मोटर एंड सेकंड स्लिप रिंग इंडक्शन मोटर. सो कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ अ थ्री फेज इंडक्शन मोटर. A three-phase induction motor has two main parts, stator and a rotor. So stator, the stator of an induction motor is in principle the same as that of synchronous motor or generator. It is made up of a number of stamping which are slotted to receive the windings. The stator carries a three-phase winding and he is fed from a three-phase supply. It is wound for a definite number of poles, the exact number of poles being determined by the requirement of speed. Greater the number of poles, lesser the speed, and vice versa. It will be shown in art that the stator windings three-phase currents produce a magnetic flux which is of constant magnitude but which revolves or rotates at synchronous speed. This revolving magnetic flux induces an EMF in rotor by mutual induction. Here yoke inner side में slotted stator core and the outer side में provided stator windings, and it is the construction of the stator of a three-phase induction motor. Let's now go ahead. Almost 90% of induction motor are squirrel cage type because this type of rotor has the simplest and most rugged construction imaginable and is almost indestructible. The rotor consists of a cylindrical laminated core with parallel slots for carrying the rotor conductors, which it should be noted clearly are not wires but consist of heavy bars of copper, aluminium or alloys. One bar is placed in each slot. Bars are inserted from the end when semi-closed slots are used. The rotor bars are bridged or electrically welded or bolted to two heavy and short circuiting end rings. It is the simply squirrel cage rotor construction. Here conductor bar provided and here end ring short rings. For slip ring rotor. The slip ring rotor consists of a laminated cylindrical armature case. The slots are provided on the outer periphery and insulated conductors are put in the slots. The rotor conductor are connected to form a three-phase double-layer distributed winding similar to the stator winding. The rotor windings are connected in star fashion. Here construction, rotor windings, slip rings and carbon brushes. The open ends of the star circuit are taken outside the rotor and connected to three insulated slip rings. The slip rings are mounted on the rotor shafts with brushes resting on them. The brushes are connected to three variable resistors which are also connected in star. Used to provide a mean for connecting external resistors in the rotor circuit. The equivalent circuit of the wound rotor is shown the figure below. Here, rotor windings, slip rings and carbon brushes. Working principle of a three-phase induction motor. So, three-phase induction motor and fractional horsepower motors. So, stator stationary part, rotor rotating part. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एन एस साइड ये कोइल्स 1 HP इक्वल होता है 746 वाट. सो इसके अंदर क्या होता है कि वेन एवर वी गिव द AC सप्लाई टू द कोल वाइंडिंग, सो व्हाट विल हैपन, लेट्स लर्न. हेयर 0 ये सिंगल फेज AC वेव फॉर्म है. सो इन AC वेव फॉर्म वोल्टेज इज नॉट कॉन्स्टेंट बट इट्स चेंज when the voltage level of AC wave is minimum, so the magnetic field power is also minimum. But when the voltage level of AC waveform goes to the highest 230 voltage, so the magnetic field also go to the higher magnetic power strong. So the magnetic field also change in the coil. AC waveform. It is the construction of three-phase AC waveform. Now, in three-phase AC waveform, we can watch the voltage level of R go to its peak and then come down, and also similar case in Y and B phase. So whenever the R phase voltage level high by Y and B phase, so the R phase create the strong magnetic field to the comparison of another one, and the same process happen in Y and B phase. First R phase go on to its peaks, then come down, then Y phase go on to its peaks and then come down, and B phase also and then come down. So the also similar case happen in RYB. So its process continue to the work of creating the magnetic field. So the stator in a three-phase induction motor creating the rotating magnetic field. Here we can watch R, here the R phase, Y phase and B phase. What will happen when conductor placed in magnetic field? So here it is the conductor, magnet will be provided here, and that magnetic field. So now in this case the conductor is stationary and the magnetic field is moving. So in the conductor, an EMF produced in the conductor by Faraday law of electromagnetic induction. Magnetic field go up and down. So in the conductor, an EMF is also produced in the conductor. An EMF produced in the conductor, it means the own current flow in the conductor. Of its own current flow in the conductor, so it's all about the Faraday law of electromagnetic induction. Let's understand the detailed working principle of three-phase induction motor. We put the rotor in stator winding, so what will happen? Let's learn the concept from beginning. We give the three-phase supply to the stator winding, so the stator winding creates the magnetic field. That's we call RMF, rotating magnetic field. So the AC supply is alternating and magnetic field is also changing. So the stator making that magnetic field when rotor conductor bar is also cuts the magnetic field, and then rotor conductor bar is also short circuit to the end rings. Because of this, conductor acts like a closed circuit. Because of this, in rotor bar an EMF produced. So that situation current flow in rotor conductor, and it's again all about by Faraday law of electromagnetic induction. And what induction? It means simple, no connection between rotor and stator, but also current produced in rotor. We only give the supply to the stator, and our rotor is not connected with stator by any electrical device, but also an electric current produced in the rotor. Because of this, rotor creates own RMF, own rotating magnetic field, that is opposite direction to the stator magnetic field. Three-phase induction motor are self-starting. In this motor, synchronous speed is always higher than rotor speed. If synchronous speed 1500 revolution per minute, so 500 revolution per minute. So rotor speed 1440 revolution per minute. रन थ्री फेज इंडक्शन मोटर के वर्किंग प्रिंसिपल क्या है? फर्स्ट है फेराडे लॉ ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक इंडक्शन एंड लेंज लॉ. सो लेट्स लर्न द ऑल एक्सप्लेनेशन. सो क्या होता है? थ्री फेज इंडक्शन मोटर वर्क, स्टेटर को थ्री फेज सप्लाई दी जाती है. सो स्टेटर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड क्रिएट करता है जिसको हम रोटेटिंग मैग्नेटिक फील्ड कहते हैं. व्हेन रोटर कंडक्टर बार होता है जो स्टेटर की मैग्नेटिक फील्ड को कट करता है. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड को रोटर कंडक्टर बार जब स्टेटर की मैग्नेटिक फील्ड को कट करता है तो रोटर जनरेटेड ईएमएफ एंड करंट फ्लो इन रोटर. सो रोटर प्रोड्यूस्ड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड that is opposite direction to the stator की magnetic field. Stator magnetic field torque and motor start to rotate. मोटर क्या है? सिंपल एंड रग्ड इन कंस्ट्रक्शन होती हैं, चीपर इन कॉस्ट, मेंटेनेंस फ्री, कैन बी ऑपरेटेड इन पोल्यूटेड एंड एक्सप्लोसिव इन्वायरमेंट्स और सेल्फ स्टार्टिंग होती हैं. डिसएडवांटेज द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ अ थ्री फेज इंडक्शन मोटर एंड द वर्किंग प्रिंसिपल ऑफ अ थ्री फेज इंडक्शन मोटर विथ advantage and disadvantage. So see you in the next video. Wish you all the very best.